Welcome to our channel. Today we how to block ads on Chrome, quick method step by step clearly. Open your Chrome browser. Click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Choose Site Settings. Scroll down to find Ads. Click on Ads. Toggle the switch to block ads on sites that show intrusive content. To further enhance ad blocking, consider adding an extension. Visit the Chrome Web Store. Search for Ad Blocker in the search bar. Browse through the available extensions. Select one that has good reviews, such as AdBlock Plus or uBlock Origin. Click on the extension you've chosen. Press that Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear confirming the addition. Click Add Extension to finalize the installation. Once installed, the ad blocker will start working automatically. You can customize the settings of the ad blocker by clicking its icon in the browser toolbar. Explore various options to tailor your ad blocking experience. That's it. You have successfully blocked ads on Chrome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.